If you love great scientific advances and inventions, you can't miss this video and all the new inventions and tools you can appreciate. Imagine a tool that turns difficult cuts into simple and precise tasks. That's the keyhole saw. Designed to meet the challenges of cutting small holes or free-form shapes in panel materials, this saw is the perfect ally for precision work. With this specially ground drill tip, the keyhole saw provides a controlled and precise start to the cut. This essential feature ensures that each plunge cut is accurate and seamless, allowing you to achieve the desired results with ease and confidence. The circumferentially toothed shank, which measures 6.7 inches long by 0.197 inches wide, is another outstanding feature of this saw. This sturdy construction allows you to reach even the smallest radii with precision and speed without compromising the quality of the cut. Whether you're cutting drywall or other sheet materials, this saw will give you the optimal performance every time. The ergonomic two-component handle provides exceptional comfort during use. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in the hand for effortless guidance and total control over the cut. If you like this innovative device, get ready because the next one will blow your mind with revolutionary functionality and design that you won't believe. The 360 Evo mask is much more than a protective accessory. It's an essential companion for those who work in extremely contaminated, unpleasant, or even dangerous environments. Designed to meet the most demanding challenges, this mask offers complete protection against a wide range of chemical and particulate hazards. Are you a painting contractor or a worker in a hostile industry? With the 360 Evo, you can feel safe and protected in any situation. Its innovative design and advanced filtration technology provide effective protection against organic, inorganic, and acidic gases, giving you peace of mind when working in potentially hazardous environments. Worried about safety in explosive environments? The 360 Evo is ATEX Zone 2 and 22 certified, ensuring safety in even the most hazardous environments. And this is just the beginning, because if you love this device for its efficiency and practicality, the next one will take it to the next level with even more amazing features that will amaze you. Tools that make life easier, designed to integrate seamlessly with standard power drills. The core attaches magnetically to the flat front of the drill chuck. When the drill is activated, the bullseye bore core follows its movement and projects a series of circular patterns onto the work surface. These patterns serve as indicators of the alignment or misalignment of the drill in relation to the surface. If the patterns are concentric, the drill is aligned and perpendicular to the work surface. Conversely, if the patterns are not concentric, the drill is misaligned. This feature is especially useful for both hobbyists and professionals because it ensures accurate drilling every time. In addition, the bullseye bore core is versatile and can be used in any position, whether on walls, floors, ceilings, or boards, regardless of the working angle. Its unique design allows it to be virtually invisible during drill rotation, ensuring that the drill bit, work surface, and projected patterns are clearly visible and easy for the user to interpret. A marvel of technology, but the next one will amaze you just as much with its perfect combination of style and performance. This is a portable solution designed for precise and efficient cleaning of dust and debris. Powered by a Makita brushless motor, it reaches speeds of up to 447 miles per hour and airflow of 39 CFM, with the ability to digitally adjust its speed in 4 stages to suit different tasks. With a fully charged battery, this high-speed vacuum can run continuously for up to 50 minutes, providing long-lasting, reliable performance. In addition, 5 interchangeable nozzles are included to cover a wide range of applications, making it a versatile tool for any work environment. For user comfort, this blower is equipped with a soft rubber handle that provides a comfortable grip during extended use. Its compact design of only 7 inches in length makes it ideal for working in tight spaces, while the filter at the fan inlet helps reduce dust dispersion during operation. It's pretty amazing, right? Well, this next technological tool will amaze you just as much with its ingenious advancements and capabilities that push the boundaries of what you can imagine. Control Axe is much more than just an ultrasonic cutter. It's a revolution in the world of precise and delicate cutting, a truly cool tool. Its compact design houses advanced technology that allows it to vibrate at an astonishing speed of 40,000 times per second, ensuring an unprecedentedly smooth and precise cut. But what really sets Control Axe apart is its ability to reduce the coefficient of friction of the material using ultrasonic energy. This unique feature makes cutting even easier and more delicate, allowing the blade to glide through the material with unmatched smoothness and precision. Compared to other cutting tools, Control Axe stands out for its ability to effortlessly make cuts with millimeter precision. Ultrasonic technology eliminates the need for manual pressure when cutting, allowing users to achieve perfect results without the use of physical force. This makes Control Axe ideal for prolonged cutting tasks, as users can cut all day without experiencing hand fatigue or pain. Impressed by this quality product? Wait until you see what's next. It'll leave you speechless. Much more than just a lifting system, the shuttle is the perfect solution for lifting tasks in a variety of environments and an exceptional tool for modern life. With a load capacity of up to 30 kilograms, this modular system offers exceptional versatility for a wide range of applications. One of the shuttle's outstanding features is its modular design, which makes it easy to adapt to different situations and needs. Guide profiles can be quickly installed on the rungs of an RS Tower 52 rolling tower, providing a solid foundation for the rest of the system. This ensures quick and safe installation without the need for special tools or advanced technical knowledge. The shuttle is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to transport and handle in the workplace. Its ergonomic and compact design makes it ideal for use in tight spaces or demanding work environments where every gram counts. The shuttle is just as easy to use. Using only a cordless drill, the winch can lift loads with ease and precision, allowing users to complete tasks efficiently and effortlessly. In addition, the option to equip this system with a load carrier kit or solar panel kit provides even more flexibility and functionality. If this technological solution has left you speechless, get ready for the next model that'll take you to new horizons with its near-perfect design. Magic VSO1 is much more than a simple clamp. It's a complete, intelligent, and versatile clamping solution designed to meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts, creators, and thinkers. With its intelligent torque feedback function and a wide range of additional accessories, it simplifies tasks and increases user efficiency. This tool not only facilitates tasks such as engraving and welding, but can also be useful for activities such as painting, polishing, and DIY projects. In addition, its versatility allows it to adapt to a variety of clamping scenarios through the incorporation of additional accessories or customization. Magic aims to become an indispensable companion in the creative work of its users. One of the outstanding features of the VSO1 is its adjustable clamping torque, which provides precision and control. Its automatic stop function and intelligent torque detection ensure a seamless user experience. Equipped with a smart chip, the tool automatically locks into the desired torque setting, allowing for efficient clamping in just one step. This innovative design protects workpieces by preventing over-tightening that could damage them. In addition, its active mechanism allows for instant movement with a simple push of a button, or automatic movement with more force. This technological advancement is incredible, isn't it? But wait until you see what's coming next. It'll open you up to a world of endless possibilities. Embark SAS is a world leader in the design, manufacture, and marketing of unique tools that will blow your mind, as well as specialized instruments and machines designed specifically for cable preparation. Its expertise covers a wide range of applications, from low, medium, and high voltage electrical cables to fiber optic, telephone, coaxial, and other special cables. What sets Embark SAS apart is its ability to develop products tailored to the specific needs of its customers. Whether it's a standard requirement or a custom specification, the company has the flexibility and expertise to design and manufacture tools and machines that perfectly match the project requirements. Quality and precision are the cornerstones of the Embark SAS philosophy. Each tool and machine manufactured by the company undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure optimum performance and durability in demanding working conditions. This gives customers the peace of mind that they're investing in reliable, high-quality products that meet the highest industry standards. Did this digital tool surprise you with its versatility? The next one will take your breath away with its unique combination of features and performance that'll make it a must-have in your everyday life. Want to know about one of those tools you don't believe exists? Considered by many to be the ultimate set for carpenters, the 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig is the premium choice for project builders looking for a complete set of 700 series tools and accessories in one package. With included material support and storage, the 720 Pro provides all the tools needed to start and continue construction projects. This tool simplifies the creation of concealed hole joints, The dual-action Automex clamping technology allows the user to save time and effort by simultaneously holding the workpiece and automatically adjusting to the exact thickness of the material. The non-slip GripMax clamping surface holds the workpiece securely and prevents any unwanted movement when drilling concealed holes. This 720 Pro's durability is ensured by its impact-resistant polymer body and steel frame construction. In addition, the hardened steel drill guides are backed by a lifetime warranty. Perfect machines that border on science fiction, but if you're hungry for more, stay tuned and see you next time.